Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education and Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the news from the Moonriver. They have integrated the HKO from Finance and Crust by the XCM. So that's a new integration. So now you can transfer the token HKO to the Moonriver. And I'm going to demo how you can do that. So first of all, you should go to the Moonbeam. They have the app. So this is a website. Since the HKO is deployed, it's actually on the Kusama. You need to go to the Moonriver actually. This is a Kusama version. So you need to switch to Moonriver. And you can see the cross-chain assets. Now they already list a lot of them from the Karura to the HKO from its parallel HKO. And so in order to do that, you just need to have some HKO in your wallet. Normally it's a JS wallet. And then you can just use the deposit. And so you can connect to your JS wallet. And in my JS wallet right now, I don't have any wait, I need to select the wallet. And so I have some HKO. I'm going to transfer one of them and just a demo, just show you. They have, okay, we don't need to pick that. Okay, so now I need to sign the transaction. So it will take a little bit time to transfer the token from my JS wallet, which is from the Renee chair on the Polkadot, to the Moonriver, and then like you can use that. You can also add that to the MetaMask because the Moonriver, the Moonbeam actually it's EVM compatible, so you can add it to the MetaMask and you can use that. So let's see where. Okay, it's here. So I transfer one HKO and the assets on the Moonriver is called XCHKO. So one HKO, I'm going to get 0.28 XCHKO, and you can add it to the MetaMask, the XCHKO MetaMask token. Go to MetaMask to the assets. You can see that now, so it's on your MetaMask. And I believe in the future, like you can use that. There will be a lot of dApps deployed on the Moonriver, and you can connect your MetaMask and use the XCHKO. So I still need to explore how to use this XCHKO. I'm very sure there will be a lot of usage in the future. Alright, so I think that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to the channel, please feel free to leave a comment or subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.